So this we are loading the basic, or we are loading the another basic demo session. Now, when you look at this, we have different shapes out in here, right? And let me just play this now so that you can see how this works. See, so based on their structures, everybody is going to get applied different types of physics. So if I just do this, the shortcut key of this I have already told in our previous tutorial. If you haven't watched, you can watch that. It's very great to just leave these articles and check how the simulation works out. Yeah, I'm just throwing the balls onto the glass. Great. Okay, so what I want to say is that when you reset this again goes back and then it falls down. So the beautiful part is that if you look into this, when you click on this, you are going to see different properties of this material or this object in this property area. Okay, and let us look at the physics area here. So in the physics area, we are going, this has been taken as the rigid body. Okay, and by approximations we can change here. So if I change this to bounding cube, you see this will behave like it's a cube. Just look at this. So it's going to behave like a cube. So even though it is a different shape, it behaves like a cube. Okay, by changing this here, we changed it into the physics. Yes, where is that physics? Yes. So in the rigid body approximation, we did change it, right? And by that, you're going to have. Now, you see, it just falls down. And if you just change it to bounding cube, it will get lifted. So these are also the properties which you can, try changing for your physics as per your requirement. You can use that. So these are different forms of, what we call as demo sessions in the physics. I hope you would have liked this video, and from where we need to bring this and learn different types of, what I can talk about is the physics. You can have the sessions, demo sessions being taken care of. You can learn from this. You can view how different types of physics are going to be taking place. You need to just make them fight. Oh, we went somewhere else. So this is all about in our today's video of Nvidia Omniverse, guys. Let me know in the comment section how was our today's video. I hope you would have liked this. If you haven't shared this with your friends, guys, share this with your friends so that they can also learn Nvidia Omniverse. This is going to be a great stuff for industrial AI in future. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe it, because I don't think so you're going to get another chance to subscribe it. So don't miss it. Don't miss a chance. You are very lucky if the YouTube has showed this video to you. So do not forget to hit a subscribe button, hit a bell icon, and guys, hit a like to our videos. So we'll bring you another great, interesting video on Nvidia Omniverse. Till then, keep watching Leansimcorp channel. Okay, and don't forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com. Till then, take care. Bye bye.